Okay, so let's start with the 17th example, and what is said here. Find the total heat produced in the loop of the previous problem, that is the diagram of the previous problem, in the interval 0 to 30 seconds if resistance of the loop is 4.5 ohm. So the resistance of the loop is given to us 4.5 milli ohm. So I'll convert this into ohm. So here EMF will produce when? So EMF production will start at t is equal to 0 when CD, let us suppose this is A, B, CD. So CD will start cutting the field lines and EMF will induce till AB get into it. As the speed of the loop is 1 centimeter per second, as it is mentioned in the previous problem, 1 centimeter per second. So till side AB enters 1 centimeter in 1 second, so in till 5 seconds the heat will get produced. Okay, so from 0 to 5 seconds there is some heat production. Now during further motion, that is from here, when the loop is completely inside the field, there is no EMF induced as well as no heat produced. So during this part of the journey there is no heat produced. And what is the time interval for in moving from this portion to this portion? So time interval would be distance upon speed, so that is 20 second is the interval time span, and after that again it is being cutting the field. So for 0 to 5 second, and then further if this is 20 second, so it will be from 5 second to further 20 second, that is to 25 second instant, no heat is being produced here. And for further 5 second, that is from 25 second to 30 second, there is heat is produced. So finally heat is produced for total time of 10 second, initial 5 second and then final 5 second. Okay, so as here this is at t is equal to 0 the loop is entering, at t is equal to 5 centimeter it is here. Okay, and now from this to this, so now loop is here. So now in getting here till here, how much time it will take? So it will take 20 seconds more. So 5 second and 20 second more will be 25 second, and then 30 seconds. So as you can see, total distance traveled will be 5. Okay, and then 5 4 times, because this is 20. So it will be 5 second, 5 second, 5 second, 5 second. So here it is 25 second, 1 2 3 4 5, and further 5 second, that is 30 second. Okay, so therefore the total heat produced can be written as I square RT, or we have induced EMF every time, so it will be E square by R into T time interval. The EMF induced is 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 as already calculated in the previous problem. Okay, this is being calculated in question number 16, so no need to calculate again. Into time, that is the heat production time is of 10 seconds, initial 5 and end 5 second time interval. This is 4.5 10 raised to minus 3. So it will be 3 3s are 9, 10 raised to minus 8 into 10 upon 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. So 4.5 ones are 2s are. So heat produced will be 2 into 10 to the power. This minus 3 go up will become plus 3. So it will be 10 raised to 4. Minus 8 plus 4 will be minus 4 joule. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 joule is the amount of heat being produced during this complete process. Thank you.